Hello, this is Steve at Hydrogen for Health. Today I want to show you how to set up and use the all-new H2Pro 300. When you get your package, you want to take everything out, check it over for any shipping damage. If you have some shipping damage, let us know, we'll take care of you. In your box, you will have a power cord, nasal cannula. This is a splitter to make Brown's gas. And you'll get your diffusion stone to make hydrogen water. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and plug it in. Behind the machine you'll see the power adapter here. The plug orients only one way. Go ahead and plug that in. And then plug the other end into the outlet. Now we're going to fill it up with some water. For this machine you can only use distilled water. No other kind of water is acceptable for the machine. If you put any other kind of water in it, tap water, reverse osmosis, filtered water, any other kind of water will damage the machine. So you want to put only distilled water in the machine. As you can see here, there is a sight glass. Right here is the low water mark, and right here is the high water mark. What we're going to do is we're going to fill it up to somewhere just below the high water mark. And to do that, you take the cap off. Make sure that your cap has a gasket here. And go ahead and just fill it with pure distilled water. I'm going to fill it up right about to there. You can see the watermark right here. On the back of the machine you'll also see there's a label here with a setup video. The video you're watching right now, hydrogen4health.com/setup. You'll be able to find the video there. If you have any questions for me or any concerns or need some help, just email me at info@hydrogen4health.com. Right here we've got a reminder just to use distilled water only. And here you can see it's 115 volt AC power only. Right here is our on and off switch. That's our master power. And over here is the reservoir drain. I'll show you how to drain that out in a minute. When you're done filling it, the cap back on, tighten it down. You don't want to tighten it too tight. It seals really easily. Now we're going to go ahead and turn it on. All you need to do is flip the main power switch in the back. You'll hear a beep. Up here at the top is your display, and this is your timer here. You can set your timer by pressing this button here. If you set it at 000, it won't use the timer and it will just produce hydrogen until you turn it off. Set the timer at 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes. We suggest breathing 30 minutes twice a day. The generator will begin to count down from 30 minutes to 0. You can see here in the corner it's making 300 milliliters per minute. If any time you need to shut off the gas, just press the off button. The gas will shut off. You turn it back on, set your time again, and it will begin to count down. When the water level runs low, there's a little light up here in the corner that will illuminate, reminding you to fill the water. Right here on the bottom we have our humidifier. On the bottom of the humidifier there's a magnet to hold it in place. What the humidifier does is it catches any water that's in the hydrogen line, deposits it into this bottle. That way it doesn't go out through the cannula. When the water gets up to this line, you're going to want to go ahead and empty it out. Real simple. You just detach this from the bottom, empty it out, and then attach it back to the blue cap. Being careful not to tighten it too tight. To breathe hydrogen, you're going to attach your nasal cannula. Simply take the end and attach it to the hydrogen output. Then you'll be able to breathe. This machine is also equipped with an oxygen output. If you want to breathe oxygen, just attach your cannula to the oxygen output and you can breathe oxygen. If you're wanting to breathe Brown's gas, you're going to take your splitter here and connect the hoses to both hydrogen and oxygen output, and then connect your cannula to the end of that. Now you can breathe Brown's gas. To make hydrogen water, get yourself your container of water, your hydrogen diffusion stone, connect that to the hydrogen output, and stick the other end inside your water. To fully saturate 1 liter of water, you'll want to run this for 10 minutes. 2 liters of water, you want to run it for 20 minutes, and so on. This machine also has a remote control. To use the remote control, it has a plus button which changes the time, and a minus button which changes the time. This will increase the time, as you can see there. I just increased it to 60, or decrease the time right there by pressing the minus button will decrease the time. And then right here is an on and off button. And that turns it off. Press it again, we'll turn it back on. It'll start generating hydrogen again. Maintenance on the machine is simple. Every 30 to 60 days you're going to want to drain out your water and put some fresh new water in the machine. That's easily done through this reservoir drain here. Just pull the tube out. On the end of the tube is a plug. All you do is hold your fingers here, pull the plug out, and you'll empty that into the sink and discard it. When you're done, put the plug back in and go ahead and fill the generator up again like I showed you in the beginning of the video. Then you just push the tube back in. And that's it for maintenance. Well, this concludes this video on how to use your H2Pro 300. Once again, we want to thank you for purchasing our product. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, or you can email me at info@hydrogen4health.com. This is Steve. Thanks for watching.